Hey fellow bakers, welcome back to the kitchen, where the magic happens and sweet dreams come true. Are you ready to dive into the creamy world of cheesecakes? Whether you're a seasoned baker or just starting out, this recipe is for everyone. Today, I'm going to walk you through making the perfect cheesecake at home, step by step, so you can impress your friends and family with your baking skills. Trust me, it's easier than you think. With a few simple tips, you'll be a cheesecake pro in no time. Before we get started, let's make sure we have everything we need. First things first, gather your ingredients. Preparation is key to a smooth baking experience. You'll need cream cheese, sugar, eggs, vanilla extract, and a dash of lemon juice. Make sure your cream cheese is at room temperature for the smoothest texture. Don't forget the graham crackers and butter for that delicious crust. Ready? Let's get started! The crust is the foundation of your cheesecake, so let's make it perfect. Begin by preheating your oven to 325 degrees Fahrenheit. This ensures an even bake and helps prevent cracks. While that's heating up, crush your graham crackers into fine crumbs. You can use a food processor or a rolling pin, whatever you have on hand. Mix them with melted butter and press the mixture into the bottom of a spring-form pan. Press firmly so the crust holds together when you slice it later. Pop that in the oven for about 10 minutes, just to let it set. This step gives your crust a lovely, toasty flavor and keeps it from getting soggy. Now, on to the filling. This is where the magic really happens. In a large bowl, beat your cream cheese until it's nice and smooth. Take your time here. No one likes a lumpy cheesecake. Gradually add in the sugar, followed by the eggs, one at a time. Mixing slowly helps avoid too much air, which can cause cracks. Make sure everything's blended perfectly. Scrape down the sides of the bowl to catch any sneaky lumps. Add a splash of vanilla and a squeeze of lemon juice for that extra zing. These flavors really brighten up the cheesecake and balance the richness. Pour the creamy mixture over your crust. Use a spatula to help guide it evenly. Smooth out the top with a spatula. This helps your cheesecake bake evenly and look picture perfect. Here's a pro tip. Tap the pan gently on the counter to release any air bubbles. This little trick helps prevent cracks and gives you a smooth, creamy texture. We want a flawless finish, right? Every detail counts when it comes to presentation. Place your cheesecake in the oven and bake for about 55 minutes. Keep an eye on it, but try not to open the oven door too often. You'll know it's ready when the center jiggles slightly. It should look set around the edges, but still have a gentle wobble in the middle. Don't worry, it'll firm up as it cools. Patience is key for the perfect texture. Turn off the oven and let your cheesecake cool inside with the door slightly open. This gentle cooling process helps prevent sudden temperature changes. This prevents cracks from forming. A little patience goes a long way for that perfect smooth top. Once it's cool, transfer it to the fridge for at least 4 hours, or overnight if you can wait. The longer it chills, the better the flavor and texture. And there you have it, your very own homemade cheesecake ready to be enjoyed. A creamy, dreamy cheesecake that's sure to impress. Each bite is rich, smooth, and absolutely irresistible. Add some fresh berries or a drizzle of chocolate to top it off if you're feeling fancy. You can even try caramel, whipped cream, or your favorite fruit compote for a personal touch. Remember, baking is all about having fun and experimenting. Don't be afraid to try new flavors or toppings. Make it your own. So don't stress too much about perfection. Even if it isn't flawless, it'll still taste amazing. Thanks for baking with me today. I hope you enjoyed this cheesecake adventure as much as I did. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more delicious recipes. Happy baking and see you next time!